love my neighborhood. It's honestly just simply as that. And also just feeling like there's a lot of really great things that take place, and then like bike lanes, simple as that, or just gardening projects and urban gardening, and wanting to see that within our neighborhood as well. And I will say, like, to not take away the credit from like a long legacy and great line of work. Um, After getting involved and actually learning about like cycling, advocacy, and like gardening within the neighborhood, like there is so much of that. I think it's just a matter of like getting involved, like doing outreach to other people and realizing that this is something that people really care about in this neighborhood as well. I didn't realize how disconnected I was to my food until I saw like a real strawberry plant when I was like 19 or 20. From that point on, I just wanted to be a part, like I just wanted to connect to food. And I realized like that's something that is extremely important for a lot of city dwellers. And food intersects with just so many other issues that residents in York South-Weston are facing, whether it's like food insecurity or whether it's just like a really important like cultural component or aspect of your life. And as well, just like meeting other people through taking part in this similar activity. When I was like talking to some other people who were gardening, they would make very like informal, just like WhatsApp groups. And, some of them aren't necessarily like English speakers, but they would just send pictures or just show like tips. Like it's just really cool that you can find like a common language through food in that way too.